You are given a question like this in trigonometry. Sine theta equals to negative 0.35, and the value of theta, the range of values of theta should be between 0 to 360 degree. You are asked to find the values of theta. And uh, what students usually do is just use a calculator, sine inverse of negative 0.35. What will you get? Let's see. We press sine inverse negative 0.35. You will get negative 20.49 to 2 decimal points. Yeah, we have a problem here. If you answer this number, if you give this answer here, it will be out of the range. And in fact, we are supposed to find values of theta that is between 0 and 360. So how are we supposed to solve uh, this question instead of pressing the calculator directly? First of all, we are going to use this table. I make this table for my students. It helps them. It helps them a lot to solve this type of question, trigonometry question, especially when you are asked to find the angle. First step, they give you sine theta equals to negative 0.35. We focus on the negative sign here, and the sine value for negative, we look at this table here. If you want to have negative value for sine, the angle is supposed to be in quadrant 3 or 4. And the angle for that, the angle for in quadrant 3 must be 180 plus alpha. What is alpha? Alpha is the basic angle. Later we are going to learn about that. And the angle in quadrant 4 is 360 minus alpha. Okay, so we know now. And I already make a pattern like this. We can try to find values of the sine theta in each of the quadrant. But before that, we put the signs first. In quadrant 1 and quadrant 2, sine value will be positive. In quadrant 3 and 4 will be negative. Since the question asks for the negative value of sine, we cross out quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. We don't need to calculate for that. We concentrate on the quadrant 3 and 4, which give you the negative value. Next step, we must find alpha. How to find alpha? We do inverse sinus. Put it here. Now this is a trick. Don't put the negative sign. Don't put the negative value. Put the positive value. Inverse sinus 0.35. That's the value of alpha. Then we press calculator. Inverse sinus 0.35. Then you get 20.49 degree. Now, why do we have to put this positive value here? The reason is alpha is between 0 to 90 and is in quadrant 1, is always positive. The value of sine, cosine, and tangent are always positive. The negative for sine will be in 3 and 4, which we are going to calculate later. Now, using this value, we calculate the angle in quadrant 3 and 4, 20.49. So in quadrant 3, The angle theta is 180 plus alpha, which means 180 plus 20.49. Yeah, from here. Yes. And if you calculate that without calculator, you're going to get 200.49 degree. Yes. So that's one of the answer. And if you just give them one of the answer here, is you're not going to get full mark, maybe half something. Yeah. You must do quadrant 4 also, which is 360 minus alpha. 360 minus 20.49 degree. And how much you get? 360 minus 20.49, you're going to get 339.51 degree. And what must, these two are the values that you must give in your answer if they give you this question. 200.49 and 339.51. So that's all. But just in case you want to check, we just check. Use our calculator. Sine 200.49. We press sine 200.49, negative 0.35, which is what the question asks. We check on quadrant 4 also, sine 339.51. We press, then same, we get 0.35, use calculator. Yeah, so that's it. We get the values, we get the two values of the angle. And we already checked them out also. So that's how we use this table to help you with the question. By the way, you can download and copy my table using this QR code. It might help you. Tomorrow I'm going to make another video for you, slightly more complicated one. The angle, the range of the angle, maybe not 0 to 360, maybe we can enlarge them. Yeah, make it a little bit more complicated. See you tomorrow.